Hey everyone, Tom here, and today I'm going to go over quickly our new beer line cleaning system. Now, most industry experts recommend that you clean out your beer lines at least once per week. This is going to help maintain and keep out calcium buildup, which can cause beer stones and clog your lines, yeast buildup, which can create clumps in your beer and affect the flavor, and bacteria buildup, which can create a cloudy beer as well as give it a nasty smell and affect the flavor. No one wants that. To help combat these issues, we have the new beer line cleaning system. This is a water-powered proportional system that injects a solution at a pre-diluted rate and blends it right into the beer lines, sending it out through the coupler on your keg tap. This can be useful in really any situation, from a small kegerator at home to a large brew house. Really anyone that's trying to keep clean lines and maintain a good flavor. A couple more beneficial features of this system are that it does have a manual maintenance and flush. This is going to help clean the internal components and make sure that the life of the unit is extended. It also can do hot water, is a compact and accurate design, and eliminates the need to have to hand mix any sort of stock solutions. All of this could be yours for a fraction of the cost of some of the other units, which could be $500 to $600 and still require you to hand mix a stock solution. To learn more, give us a call today or shoot us a message, and thanks for watching.